Gretta. I love all your ideas for a perfect spring day. You have 10 awesome ideas, and 10 is kind of a lot to put into one paragraph. So, when I wrote you a comment yesterday, I said to pick some of the ideas. And usually, we try to have at least 3 really good, strong ideas that we can add details to. So, when I look at your list, to me, you have lots of ideas right here of the loving bike rides and walks. You could really expand on that, right? Where do you go for bike rides? Who do you go for bike rides with? Where do you go for walks? Who do you go with? This one, number 3 and 4, friends and playing, could all be one great big idea that you like to play bubbles, play with your play set. So you have, to me, here's one good idea, bike rides and walks, and then you have your friends and playing. And then some of your other ideas are all about what it looks like or feels like outside. So kind of combining maybe these, I know that's a lot, but maybe the ones that you think are the most important into one really good thought about what it's like outside and what's changing and what you like about it. So then I'd have 3 perfect sentences, 3 perfect ideas with details to follow. Okay, so that's just looking at your web. Now I want to look at your writing, which is a little bit tricky because it's sideways. But if you could kind of follow along with me. First of all, your handwriting is beautiful, so keep up that great work. Second thing I want to show you is you have a great topic sentence. Spring is the best time of the year. So now you need 3 really good ideas with details to tell why spring is the best time of the year. Remember you said what was the first thing? Oh, walks and bike rides, playing, bubbles and playset, and then some of the ideas about what it's like outside. So those would be your 3 really strong sentences with powerful details. Your first sentence is flowers blooming and planting. We need a word in there, that helping verb that we practiced a little bit before we left school. Flowers are blooming. But are flowers planting? I think we might want to think about that sentence. Friends play, have fun. You have some good ideas there, but we have to rework that into a sentence. So go back to your web. You said it's fun to play with friends and have fun, but now give details. I like to play in my play set with, who are you playing with? Or I like to blow bubbles, and maybe you could tell how Scarlett chases them or whatever. So some more details there. And then you talk about spring, fresh green grass. That's not really a sentence yet either. We could add some words to make it a sentence, but in the spring, you could smell fresh grass. Is that what you're saying? I'm not quite so sure. That idea kind of goes better with this one over here about flowers, right? Flowers and grass. So keep those 2 next to each other. So we don't want to go from plants, what it's like outside, to playing, back to plants. See what and then back to playing with friends again. So let's just work on our organization. Tomorrow, the assignment is going to be to type it into a Google Doc and send it to me. So you can mark this up as much as you'd like. So take your, a colored pencil and put a circle around this sentence and push it up there. Add some words to make sure that they're complete sentences. The way that you wrote it right here is beautiful, and it kind of sounds like a poem almost, but we wanted a paragraph. So either your first choice would be to just kind of mark this document up and then be ready to type it in tomorrow, or to leave it kind of like a poem and start all over. But it's kind of up to you. All right, I hope this helps. Oh, look, I can zoom in. I had no idea. All right, so I'm learning how to use this. I hope this helps. If it doesn't help at all, just let me know, and we can talk on the phone or something. We'll figure it out. All right, girlie. Have a great afternoon. Please tell the snow to go away.